pipeline people. I'm here to demonstrate a new feature that's landed in Streamdal's code-native data pipeline platform this week. The feature is the ability to make arbitrary HTTP requests on any pipeline step. Let's get started. Here in the console, I have a pre-populated set of services and create a pipeline that sends out an HTTP request. We will choose one of our services. Here we'll choose from the welcome service, a producer that sends out an email. Click on Create Pipeline, name the pipeline, choose the new HTTP request step type. We'll send a post. We'll send it to a local HTTP service handler that we've created within the console. We'll give it some arbitrary JSON request body data, test key and a test value. Go ahead and give it some custom headers. And we'll save that. Attach it. And then we'll head on over to our Node SDK, fire up our sandbox, which sends along some test data. That's up and running. You can see data incoming here. We will head on over to an echo component that I've created that will show us our HTTP requests. Sure enough, here they are. Go ahead and pause that. You can see we've got our test body and our test custom keys.